Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 VW Passat. Really easy, great system. So first of all, we go to Bluetooth, then we're watching out at the bottom. We go over here, we go to phone, click on phone. Please find VW, stupid name, but there you go. Find mobile phone, watching out at the bottom here, searching for devices. It says Bluetooth audio stopped. That's because this was connected to it before I deleted it. Just waiting. It's taking its time, probably because I've just deleted it. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Click on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request 112305. Does it match? Yes, it does. Only to be expected pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. Hands-free telephone connecting. And it's all done.